Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Hope you had a chance to catch today's live stream. We had a great short in platinum futures. I made about $400 on my account, and some of the people in the live stream actually made more money because they held the trade to the target that I called out. I just didn't hold it long enough, but I had a headache. I was a little tired today. I knew for myself I wanted to take my profits a little earlier, but some people in the chat had a great day following that trade, shorting platinum. So I'm thrilled about that. I want you to check out the end of the live stream. What you'll see is about the last 2 minutes, you'll see me saying, hey, look, I got to go. I got a headache. I'm a little tired. We've had a good day, a great week. But you guys, keep your eyes on the Ultra Bond. There's a ton of support into 125.15, 125.16. I said, watch that. I'm going to be watching that on my personal account. And if I see something I like, I'm going to take a trade down there because there's a ton of support now. After the news at 10 a.m., the Michigan consumer sentiment announcement, we flushed below Thursday's low for bonds, but then we immediately came right back up inside the range. The dollar is holding steady on the euro futures around 109. So it looked like we were going to have a ton of support for bonds at this 125.15 to 125.20 level. So I just wanted to let everybody in the chat know, keep an eye on that if you're going to be trading for yourself the rest of the day. The indices look very dangerous, volatile, choppy. Probably stay away from those, but look at bonds. So what I did on my own account is I went ahead. I'll explain the trade to you first. You've got the 4-hour chart here to the left. I'm a little tired. Bear with me. You've got the hourly chart here, the 15-minute and the 5-minute. I'll bring up the 5-minute sometimes when I really want to dial down with the multiple time period analysis using Owings market analysis. But you can see here on the hourly, the reason I was so bullish about this level is because the way we suck back into the range, you got a lot of OMA technical indications in here that support is going to be very strong, especially on the 4-hour as well. So I was just watching this, and I know that if the 15-minute, which is trending up here, if we pull back into this key support level right here, then that's where I want to look to be a buyer. So that's what I did. I waited for that pullback patiently, and right there, when I saw the 5-minute chart just flush down here, I said, you know what? I'm going to take a trade long on the Ultra Bond, 7 contracts, right? But I could go 7 contracts because my risk was just below this blue line. This is the near low, right? So I didn't have much risk on this trade. In fact, I bought it right here at 20 and my risk was to 18. So it was 7 contracts, but it's only 2 ticks of risk because I knew that that level just had to hold based off of the 4-hour, hourly, 15-minute, and now 5-minute. And then putting that into context with what we're seeing today with the dollar, the euro, indices, metals. It's very important to take these trades in context. So I'm really happy about that. I actually ended up taking profit right up here at the high. It doesn't always work like this, but this was such a beautiful trade. I wanted to share it with you guys. So here you can see, this is the trade that I took. It was 7 contracts long the Ultra bonds at that key level I was talking about right there at about 125.20. And it was just such a really good trade to end the day on, end the week on. We've had a great week live streaming, calling these trades out in advance before they happen. So you can come on into the live stream and hang out with us and see that we're making these calls before they happen. That's what makes our live stream so much different than anything else that you see out there. It's not just a stream for you to stop by and watch me scalp and, you know, hang out and chat. It's a stream where we're really watching the markets, taking a look at what are indices doing, what are bonds doing, what are the metals doing, what's crude oil doing. We're looking at the interplay, the correlations between all these markets using Owings market analysis, trying to make the best decisions possible to find the lowest risk, highest probability trade setups during the day. That's what we're doing every single day. That's what we're going to continue to do. And this is what I used on my own account right now, trading the Ultra bonds. And I wanted to share that with you. So I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please do stop by the live stream. It'd be awesome to see you guys. And I'll see you there on Monday morning after I've rested all up. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a good weekend.